Hello Neves fam, this is Neve from Neves Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel. And first of all, before I move on to this video, I would like to say thank you to all of you who commented on my previous video, which was about my father-in-law and my husband's surgery. So thank you so much for all your support. In today's video, I am going to do this makeup. Mostly eye, blush, highlight, and whatever the products which I have from Boxy Charm. Mostly these Boxy Charm products are from last 2 months, which is this month and December. So I used mostly those products and created this look. I hope you like it, what you see, and let's get started. So today I'm going to start with my eyes, and to prime my eyes I am going to use the concealer, and which is Shape Tape concealer from Tarte in the color medium. And Boxy Charm never since I've been subscribed to their beauty box, they never send foundation and concealer, which is hard. There are so many people, it's very hard to send, keeping in mind the color, the skin color, the undertones. So I prime my eyes using the concealer which I showed you, and then I set the concealer using my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pore pressed powder. And from last like this month and last month, I have these two palettes, and this one is, I think this was from last, I don't remember, but I do have these palettes. And this one is from Winky Lux Kitten palette, and this one is from Glam Metals Crown from Crown Brush. So this particular, let me show you. I already uploaded a pic on my Instagram showing you all the products of the Boxy Charm for this month, but let me show you again. And this is how it looks. And this particular palette does not have any matte shadow except this black one. Everything else is satin finish or like a shimmery kind of finish. And this one, let me open and show you. I have not used it on camera. And this particular one has few matte shades, like these two over here, the light color, and then this two. So I am going to use these three like for my transition and crease, the ones which you need like your matte. So I'm gonna start using this color, and this is like a beige skin color. So for my crease color, I'm going to go with this dark color, and this is like a dark brown color. So now I'm going to use this palette, and this is Glam Metals from Crown Brush, and I'm going to use this color, and the name of the color is Wild Things. So first I'm gonna see how the color payoff is without using any setting spray or without wetting the brush. So now I'm going to use this color Black Metal from the same palette, and I'm going to do a little bit more darker, just the corners. And now I'm going to take this small blending brush and then try to blend everything. So now I'm going to use this color, and I'm basically going to clean up under my brows, and this is the Winky Lux, this one. So let's do it. For my eyebrows, I received this month this It Cosmetics Brow Powder, which is one side spoolie and one side the brow color. And I have already used this I had got a sample long time back and I used it. I really like it, and this one is in the color, let's see, I think this was the color taupe, and it was I think written on the packet, but I don't see it here. So let's open, and so I'm trying to, I think the one I received is pretty dry. I don't think so I can use it because I have to really press hard right now to get the color. So I'm going to use what I have and do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. So now I'm going to just clean up because I have a new primer from Boxy this month, so I'm going to use that before I proceed to foundation and concealer. So this is my makeup removing wipe. So for my primer, I received this month Pores No Pore Luminizing Primer, and this is from Dr. Brandt. And whatever I received until now from Dr. Brandt, and I really like it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply my foundation and concealer and be right back, because you know, they never send foundation concealer because of different skin color tones. So I'll do that and I'll be right back. So I'm back after applying foundation and concealer, and I did set up wherever I applied concealer with a loose powder, and then what I did, I just sprayed Fix Plus, you know, keeping my eyes protected just on the forehead and below the eyes. So, and I just dab with the sponge, or even you can even leave it like that so that, you know, everything you know, sets in, doesn't look cakey and not too much powdery. So that's why I did that. So now I'm going to move to blush right now. So the last month I got this blush kit, and this is from Real Her, Be Fearless, Be Limitless, and this is how it is. And let me open. I haven't used it yet, and this is how it looks, and it does come with a mirror, and it comes in 3 colors, and it's paraben free, cruelty free, gluten free, and it says natural ingredient. So I am going to use the Limitless. It says fearless, limitless, and unstoppable. So I'm going to use this one, which is Limitless. For my highlighter, I'm going to use this palette which I got in this month, January, which is from Pure, and this is Bronze and Brighten. And this is how it looks, and this is the highlighter, I think this is the blush, and this is the bronzer, and they are really pigmented. I had tried, let me show you. So, and you see this. Wow, look at the color. I really love this color. I don't know if you can see, it's a nice bright orangish color, almost like the blush one which I use. So this is how it is. I'm going to use this one as because this is a highlighter, and I'm going to use a small brush. So I'm going to use the dark brown color to do my lower lash line. So I did not receive any eyeliner, so I'm not going to apply any eyeliner, but I do intend to apply false eyelashes, so I'll do that and I'll be right back. So before I apply the false eyelashes, I'm going to apply one coat of mascara, and I got this in my last Boxy charm, and this is from Tartist, from Tarte, and it does not say anything else, and I think it's in color black, and it just says Tartist. So I'm back after applying the false eyelashes, and now I'm going to apply this garlic tick matte lip paint, and I got this in my Jamboree Boxy charm, and the color is Posh. And let's see first of all if it suits me, otherwise I will apply another color on top of it. So this is how the lip paint looks. I am not sure how it's looking on me, so please do comment below and let me know. I'm not able to decide whether it's looking nice or not. So now I'm going to finish my makeup, and I do not have any, wait 1 second. I do have, hold on 1 second. So I do have a makeup setting spray from Boxy charm, and this is from Cover FX, and I think I got this in couple of months back, Boxy charm beauty subscription box. And this is illuminating spray, like I said, from Cover X, and you have to surely shake well, otherwise you know you'll see glitter all over your face. So this is the final look using mostly Boxy charm beauty subscription box. I hope you like this makeup look using Boxy charm products, and if you like it, please comment below and let me know, and please subscribe guys. It really means a lot to me, and you will see my photo here. You can click on that and it will automatically subscribe, and please follow me on my social media. The links are down below in the description box, and I will also put a couple of my videos, recent videos. You can just click on that and watch, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.